technically my first one. That's mine that I'm keeping or wanting to keep until someone throws me a lot of cash that I'm gonna have to.
My dad buys it for Ethan.
I'm gonna have to just take.
30 grand right now, cash money. I'll take.
Yep, 30 grand as is. Full frame off.
Frames off.
Yep,
Off
literally. How long ago did this truck drive in here?
Like what? Like 48 hours ago?
What are you doing?
Alright. We got a 2010 and a 5 Chevy Duramax sitting there. Lime green in color. Beat come. Pouring some 88 with diet.
Ain't that right?
Talk to Mike.
Feels.
I'm so famous, I might just post for the gram.
Leaf spring mounts are off. Bolted on. We should just put them back on that one and put it back together. It's too much work. So I gotta put the freaking axle back in. Now we gotta put the axle in. Axles are out, degreased, ready for pressure wash. Pull this old frame out. Someone can buy this thing. I don't want it. I got it listed for $1,200. Oh, there it goes. It's a quick gloss black. Now what are we about to do with it? Put it in the front? Is that where this axle goes? Does it go in the front?
Yeah, it goes on the front.
Be sick.
Sick.
Alright, first off I'm going to keep this in black and white because my coils are the color I'm painting the truck, and I'm going to keep that for the reveal video. Alright, so ended up taking the spacer out and just keeping the 5-inch because we wanted the clearance for the frame and the top mount, but it looks like it's actually a big enough mount because this is sitting on its own weight that I probably won't have to have the coil spacer in, and I like that a lot better because I don't want this truck to be too big for me towing. But it's in. I got a shock tower delete to fit these Fox shocks, and it keeps it lower down, so I got a lot of travel, plenty enough travel for what I'm using the truck for. All the bolts are tight. I'm about to retake this brake line off. It's not on all the way, and I'm gonna put it underneath and rebolt it back up to the axle, and then also throw the wheels on and get it completely down on its complete weight itself. But everything in the motor is pretty much back together. Just the air filter box and one of the intake pipes. But yeah, it's definitely coming together. It's going on day 8 right now, and probably about 3 days of not really focusing too hard on getting it done in a short period of time. So probably got about 5 consistent 12-hour days into the full frame swap. But very, very quick we did this. You would think people would take, they do actually take years, or over a year, just to do what we did in 5 days. But yeah, and once you get back to Florida, obviously that's what I'm gonna be painting the truck, along with the Shorty and Brandon's truck. So he's doing all the oil gaskets in the front just for the hell of it, just to make sure that it doesn't leak a single drop of oil. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to it, throw these wheels on and get it on its weight. And I'll throw another time lapse at it of me putting it on its own weight for the first time. Doing the last touches.
Yep.
About to start her up for the first time. You got faith?
No,
Oh,
not at all.
I think we got it.
ABS wire. All
That-
bullshit.
Gotta put the little cover on the fuse panel. This is for the trailer brakes. I gotta take this off and put a OEM one on it. Oh. My little vent tube for the blow-by, original blow-by, just came undone. So looks like that's not gonna work. I'll have to put a screw through that.
Work truck.
Work truck. This thing sits pretty damn nice. A 3-link looks fucking sick. You don't see that too often on a truck, more on Jeeps and whatnot. But we're getting ready to start her up for the first time. So next clip is gonna be that. Off camera, we had to push the truck out and put the Shorty in because he has to get some finishing stuff done onto it before we leave in the morning for Florida to go back, for me to go back home, and I'm gonna be painting his truck and the Shorty. But a few little things left. Gotta finish hooking up the programmer again before she can even start. Put coolant in it and just double check the fluids and bleed the brakes, and should be firing it up here in the next 5 minutes for me, and probably the next couple seconds for you guys. So stay tuned as we are about to fire this thing up for the first time on its new frame and new suspension.
Oh yeah. We got her about dialed. He's about to start it up for the first time. Fingers crossed. I've loved the fuel system already, so that should be good. Oh shit! Back to normal. Oh yeah. And look at that. The bed lines up. This thing sits good though. Yep, there's the old frame out there. Suppose we got a buyer for it, but as of right now, it's still available.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up,